I created a new node for Houdini 19. Let's see what it can do. Here's my scene. Crag's just walking along this ground here, and the camera is orbiting around him. This node gives me three outputs as geometry: the camera frustum, a point based on that frustum, and the bounds of the frustum over a select period of time. After setting my camera, I can create the frustum using near and far clip parameters here. I can also control the X and Y margin, giving me a little bit of padding on that frustum. The second tab controls the point output and allows us to freeze the point in space if we want the camera's position on a particular frame. It also contains an orient and away attribute. The displace controls allow us to move that point away from the camera and modify its position in screen space along the X and Y axis. One of the cool things this allows us to do is place things in front of our camera, such as parameter data. Finally, this node can create a bounding box to represent the path that your camera moves on. It can either do this using the frustum options created in the frustum tab, or we can tell it to look at the absolute camera position and make sure it pulls that bounding box right up to wherever the camera is. We can create that bound within a particular range by modifying the start and end controls here. By default, these will pick up your timeline. Various padding controls are included as well, allowing you to get that exact amount of space you need in your bounds. This can be really good for making sure you don't over-simulate data in areas where the camera's never going to see it.